Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to unbox this EZVIZ standalone camera. So it is budget camera and can be used standalone. So it has a Wi-Fi, built-in Wi-Fi, and pan tilt feature, mean you can rotate the camera, you can move it up and down, you can rotate left and right. So up to 360-degree angle you can move it. So let's see what is inside the box. I will unbox it now. So be careful while opening the box. So you can use the scissor or something which should not hurt your fingers or hand. So let's see what is inside the box. So in this box we have power adapter, so UK plug power adapter, mounting bracket, and grill mounting template, and some screws to mount the bracket. Let's see what is inside. This is charging cable. It's quite long. So here we have a quick starter guide, a user manual, and here is our gadget. So this is PT camera. So here we have USB slot and reset button. Okay, you can rotate it left, you can rotate it right, and it is very easy to configure. From mobile phone you can operate it, you can rotate it left or right, you can move it down, move it up. So as it is partner company of Hikvision, so there is no compromise on the quality, and it has LAN port as well. So this is charging port, so you can plug the adapter and directly you can get the power, and then you can operate it from your phone. So it has two options: either you can keep on the desk and you can operate it, and as well as you can mount it on the ceiling as well. So this is the ceiling mount bracket. You can mount on the ceiling and then you can have the ceiling mount view like this. So this is quite economical camera, and it is full HD resolution, mean it's 2 megapixel, like quite good resolution. And it also has smart IR night vision, which gives a very good picture quality in the night time when there is total dark. And then it is motorized pan and tilt, like from mobile phone you can rotate it, you can move it up and down. And then motion detection, like you can set a recording on the motion whenever the motion occurs, so it starts recording. Then very interesting feature which I like, it has a smart tracking feature. Smart tracking mean whenever object will move, it will automatically move the camera angle toward the object. So then it has a two-way audio, like you can talk through a camera, you can hear what is going on, and it has a 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi, and it supports up to 256 GB memory card. So you can insert a SD card, and up to 256 GB mean it can give you approximately 10 to 15 days recording. So this is very good and economical camera, budget camera. Like if you want to have a standalone camera, 2, 3, 4 cameras, directly you can connect with the Wi-Fi and then you can operate it from anywhere. So thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe our channel